Hi, welcome to Matt's Garage. This should be a short video. We're going to ball hone this 5.0 302 engine block. I have previous videos on the teardown of this block, and I've heard it run, so it was in good shape. I can still see the cross hatching on the cylinder bores actually, but they are a little bit glazed over. So by the investment of like 55 bucks, I will refresh these surfaces so the new rings have something to bite into. Obviously the engine's disassembled, the main caps are on, the cam bearings are still in, but otherwise this thing's ready to go back together. You're technically only supposed to do this when you know that the cylinder bore's around. This was a relatively low mileage 5.0, so I feel confident just going ahead and going with this, and doing this refresh should control the smoking and make sure this engine lasts a long time. 4-inch ball hone, 4-inch cylinder bore. You can lubricate it with light oil, honing oil. Uncle Tony's Garage uses gasoline. That guy uses gasoline for everything. I'm going to use some ghost juice, which is just mineral spirits. You'll be able to see like a before and after, comparing a clean bore with a not clean bore, and then that's it. Then this block is pretty much ready to go back together. For this, I'm going to use this drill. It's from Harbor Freight. It's like a heavy duty, low speed, high torque drill that, you know, you use this for like mixing up buckets of like plaster and stuff. You hopefully can see that there's some glazing on the inside walls here, but still a nice healthy crosshatch pattern. This is totally optional, by the way. You absolutely do not need to know what I'm about to do. Get the ball hone in there. Oh yeah, I got a whole tray to catch the juice as it falls out. Well, that's a night and day difference off camera, but I wonder if you can see it. You can see the shininess here versus the dullness here. This is the one I just did. So this is what you're looking for. You saw that took like 2 seconds. So I'm just going to do that on all 8. I think I want to go a little bit faster with my ins and outs, just to get it a more 45. I'm going to stop, check my bores, see if I like the crosshatch pattern. They get quite dirty, as you can see. Just a beautiful cross hatching all the way through the cylinders. Oh, it just looks so good, so ready for pistons. Well, I hope you found that informative. I mean, a lot of the videos on ball honing, they just talk forever. It's like, just get to it already. So I ball honed this. Check back in like a year when I'm done with the Bronco to see how it runs. Keep in mind, I'm just a guy with a YouTube channel. So if you destroy your engine block, that's on you, buddy. See you next time on Matt's Garage. Why is everything always Dutch on this camera? Jiminy Christmas.